Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view your contacts in Gmail. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail in any of your browsers. And after opening the Gmail in the browser, you will see this Contacts option on the right side. Just simply click into that in order to view the contacts. And after clicking there, you can view all of the contacts here. But to view the contacts, you first have to log in to your Google Contacts. You can also open it in a new tab by clicking into this button. And also use the magnifier option to search for the specific contact that you are searching for. By following these very easy steps, you can easily view contacts in your email. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.